Alright, Star Spangled Clothing here. It's been a long time since I made a video, and I thought, well, I still have people subscribing to my channel, so I really need to make at least one, right? To make sure that everybody kind of knows what's going on. This video is shot with my phone, so I'm not too sure about the video quality or audio for that matter, but I thought I'd give it a try because I have it on me. So I did a repair on a steel door. They're pretty common in the houses that we have anyway. A lot of times people will kick in the door. If it's a wood door, you'd obviously just kind of like glue it back together and there you go, right? But with the steel door, with the kind of wood frame and steel on the outside and foam on the inside, it's really hard to make a repair, or at least I thought it was. So this door had been kicked in and had been broke for quite some time. What I ended up doing was putting on these furniture type screws, which are obviously not going to give in the steel. It's going to hold all the wood back together. And then I kind of wedged this tube latch back in place where it stays nice and tight. So the door has a nice seal again, which I find very important in properties because I think people at least deserve not to have a drafty house. If not a perfect house, but at least not drafty. So that's kind of what I did. Drilled the holes through there, attached it. It's really more of an informational video than a how-to video, but I will try to get the names of that particular hardware so a person doesn't have to go look for it. I found mine in the drawers at Lowe's. It was under the furniture hardware. I had to cut those to length because they were a little bit long, but they come in, I think, 3 different colors. I think they come in brass and sort of like an aged bronze, and I believe they come in a silver color also. I wanted to do brown all the way around to kind of match the color of the door. Maybe I should have brass to match the doorknob, but at any rate, I think it made a really good repair. I don't know, it took me about a year to think about, because I came over here and did the threshold and resealed it, and I noticed that it was broken. I couldn't come up with anything, and I didn't have a plan. So, that's all for now.